Okay everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to fix some wind noise in an R1S or an R1T. And the way we're going to do that is we're going to use this 6mm insulating foam. And the spot, thanks to another member on the Rivian forum, there's a spot right here, and it's on both vehicles, both sides, where there seems to be a lot of noise generated. It's right here at this triangle window. And what we're going to do is put some of this foam stripping right in this area right here. And what I'm going to do is use this little wedge tool to wedge it in there. And then when I'm done, I'll cut it with this. But for now, grab the end of this. And I'm just going to stick it in here like this. And I apologize in advance for the wind. It's a little windy out here. And I'm just going to wedge it in here. And it'll also help if you open the door when you're getting ready to cut it. So now we're going to cut it, and I'm going to cut it right at this point here. And then we'll just make sure it's tucked all the way in. And then we'll close the door back up. And if you look right in there, it pretty much looks factory. And we're just going to do the same thing on the other side, and that's going to significantly cut down on your wind noise in both the R1T and the R1S. As always, folks, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you get notified anytime we add new content. And thank you guys so much for watching.